Ultimate event on the track today, and they're just about right. Favourite, centre of the line, Storm on Tsar. They're ready and they're racing. And Storm on Tsar began okay, but not as fast as Kept Under Wraps, who's going to find the pegs first. Deep on the track, Mega Alexander is winding up, trying to close down from out wide. It'll be about 4 or 5 wide into that turn as the inside division hunt through. They include in the centre, Lexus on the Beach, Storm on Tsar, and also in that firing line early double event, the pegs then, is Field Major. They were being followed next of all as they go into the back by So Cool Harry. Further back then came last of all My General Lee, and they're sorting their order out now and working their way into the back section. First quarter was 27 and 2, Kept Under Wraps led. Second spot is held down at the moment by Storm on Tsar. Third, the insiders Field Major, and they were followed by Double Event, who's in the 1-1. Next, the insiders, they run down the back as So Cool Harry. My General Lee's in a good spot. Now, Mega Alexander, it had to go back to last and then go up on the inside. And another one that was restrained back was Lexus on the Beach after being 3 deep early. 29-1 for that next quarter. 56-3 the half as they run down the back straight. They've got 6.50 left to go. Kept Under Wraps led Storm on Tsar. Just being urged along there is Field Major. And then came Double Event, followed further back by My General Lee, who's had a pretty good trip. Next, the inside as they run down the side of the track is So Cool Harry and the last pair. Alexis on the Beach, and back within is Mega Alexander, but it's Kept Under Wraps, the leader. On the outside, the favourites on a loose rein, and that is Storm on Tsar. Third quarter was 27-7. It's Kept Under Wraps leading Storm on Tsar down the outside Double Event, and here's My General Lee trying to wind up. Field Major's getting another wriggle on, and then came Mega Alexander, the pegs. It's Kept Under Wraps. Storm on Tsar is inch by inch cutting back the margin. Double Event, My General Lee. It's still Kept Under Wraps in front of Storm on Tsar. Here's the late close from My General Lee, but in front close to home is Kept Under Wraps. Too strong. Kept Under Wraps beats My General Lee. Storm on Tsar might have been Field Major 4. They were followed just in behind those then by So Cool Harry. Double Event. Close up was Lexus on the Beach. Only about a length and a half away on the inside was Mega Alexander. 29-7, 153-7, and digging deep. Kept Under Wraps will hang on. Kept Under Wraps will